Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2022 Washington State Spring Youth Forum. Although we're not physically together today, I'd like to start with a land acknowledgement as a way to honor the history and culture of Washington State's indigenous people. We begin by acknowledging with humility the land where we are today. For us here in Olympia, that is the territory of the Cowlitz and Chehalis people. The presence is felt in the waterways, valleys, and mountains of the traditional homelands of the Cowlitz and Chehalis people since time immemorial. Where we are in unprecedented times, things are definitely beginning to improve. As we begin to work better to understand the full impact of the pandemic, I'm both glad and proud to see young people in Washington State finding positive ways to positively cope with our situation and working on one of the most important efforts out there, prevention. As we begin the day, I want to empower the resilience in all of you as we remain united in prevention and welcome you to the 2022 Virtual Spring Youth Forum.
Thank you so much for that powerful welcome, Lou. And thank you to everyone in attendance today. It's always a pleasure to be among leaders like yourselves from all over Washington, virtually today, but still our efforts are united in prevention. Prevention remains more important than ever as we continue to face this remote and even hybrid way of interacting with each other and the added stress that comes with adjusting to this new world. Things can seem tough, and they are, but things are improving, right? This past fall, many of you out there participated in a survey focused on your health behaviors called the Healthy Youth Survey. I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart, but really appreciate you being open and willing to answer questions about you and how you're feeling. Here's something that we learned. The majority of Washington youth remain hopeful, meaning that about 7 in 10 10th graders reported feelings of moderate to high hope. This means that youth have set meaningful goals and pathways and are motivated to achieve them. We are proud to see this level of resiliency, but we also know that there's work to be done. And so we are calling on you to help be there for your peers and to promote recovery. Last year, many of you developed some awesome virtual presentations, specifically about your prevention projects. So while the 2021 Prevention Summit did not include a youth track, today we still celebrate and recognize all of you who have worked to implement a prevention project and related prevention activities in your local schools and communities, including those of you with plans to do this work after today. So I hear this year you will participate in a youth-led virtual town hall to address issues around underage drinking, vaping, and mental health. This level of youth voice and involvement is really encouraging, and it's coming from you and your peers. I am so excited to hear about all of the creative solutions and strategies to help you and your peers live healthy and successful lives. And I just can't wait to see the impacts that can be made with your projects in your very own communities. You are the future. You are the community, and you are leaders. So know that we're calling on you to continue these prevention activities, and we thank you so much. Now with that, I would like to introduce you to many of you may already know her, but to Sarah Mariani, our next speaker. Sarah is the section manager of the Substance Use Disorder Prevention and Mental Health Promotion section within the Division of Behavioral Health and Recovery. So Sarah, off to you.